According to the S100 of the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning Restoration Certification, also known as the IICRC, 79% of all soil and carpet is dry particulate. This type of soil can only be removed with dry vacuuming with the proper height adjustment of the beater brush to maximize CFM and airflow. Most people bury the beater brush deep into the carpet thinking that they'll get more out of it. In actuality, they're removing less because they've stifled the airflow. Moreover, people usually vacuum for appearance and not for health. What do we mean? Aunt Julie normally vacuums to remove that bubblegum wrapper paper clip piece of Spanish rice but fail to vacuum for health. Proper vacuuming should be slow since most of the soil removal happens on the backstroke. It is encouraged to change directions going from north, south, east, and west, vacuuming slowly backwards to maximize soil removal. Furthermore, people with active households,
homes where you've got children and pets,
should vacuum 2 to 3 times per day, every single day. Failure to do so will result in an inordinate load level accumulation of silica soil in the padding and underlay. At Chubby Carpet Cleaner, we specialize in cleaning carpet, in other words, face fiber. Whether we steam clean or dry clean, we are unable to clean the primary and secondary backing. We focus on the face yards, the tufts. This is why steam cleaning is not a one-size-fits-all, because everyone has a different scenario and variable. Steam cleaning a house that smells like a kennel upon arrival is a bad idea. When we send our cleaning policy for you to abide by, it is for your benefit. If you live in a house with pets, you need to prepare for our arrival by vacuuming your carpet until you see diminished returns in your vacuum canister.
Here. Look at that. So that stuff that looks like protein powder, whey protein, that's actually dog protein. And when you get this wet, it doesn't... See, this is a lot of water, but imagine what a steam cleaning machine would be doing. See? When you get this wet, it turns into like a mush. And then it begins to stink. I removed the hair. Here's the skin. I think Chubby's exaggerating when they tell us to vacuum our carpet 2 to 3 times a day. This is a diagram of your